Hey everybody, mini vlog, walking the dog in the neighborhood. I don't know, I don't wear a mask because I keep social distancing, but there are kids in the neighborhood from different households that are playing together, and they are not social distancing, and it creeps me out a little. I don't know. Parents' decision. I definitely know that one family should switch hands. There we go. One family in particular sends their kids out so they can smoke weed and play video games, so they really don't give a shit about their kids. I've been living here 6 years, and I remember when their daughter was born. And they'd send their son outside all day, and I don't know. Can you hear me? Is it too windy? I don't know. And then just scream his name when it's time for supper. So it's like, I don't know. It felt like, I don't want to say bad parenting. It's just not my style. So anyway, let that go. This is my baby, and she just made a giant pile. So with that, I'm gonna peace out, and I will see you guys tonight for the actual full vlog. So I hope somebody watches besides my best friend. Hi, best friend. Yeah, because this is therapeutic. This is nice. So I'm gonna start helping other people. So it's not just gonna be me complaining. It's gonna be talking about life experience. And I got an email from my daughter's therapist about what to do about her anxiety and feeling nauseous and stuff like that. So I will share a little bit about that tonight. So teaser. Look forward to that tonight, so I can share a little bit of that knowledge nugget with y'all, in case you have kids with anxiety, because it's hard to explain DBT skills to kids under under 15, really. So all right, peace, see you tonight.